What is going on, fam? So I do have a few surprises for you guys. I've had some plans for the FA5 for quite a bit now, and I'm finally putting some of this into motion. I picked up a few parts the other day, and I'm very excited to show you guys them. I do not have every single part with me at the moment, but I do have a few really important pieces that I'd like to share with you guys. So before I show them to you guys, as you guys know, with the FA5, they are very customizable. You can go Mugen conversion, you can go HFP, or if you want to go all out, you can go FD2, JDM Type R, and that's what I'm doing, guys. So I'm starting with the rare this season, 2020. While she's in storage, I figured I might as well get a lot of this done. And yeah, so basically that's where I'm at. Picked up a few parts, and let's get started, guys. So first off, as you guys see, we already have the rear bumper off, so that should give you a little hint at what's going on. I had to take this bumper off, and it was very easy to take off. There she is right there. So now let's go take a look at the first part. So with that being said, with the rear bumper being off, I did pick up a FD2 Type R bumper. And this isn't any FD2 Type R bumper. This isn't Duraflex. This isn't any other aftermarket brand bumper that you guys can think of. This is actually an OEM FD2 bumper straight from Japan. I got a good deal on this. The person I bought it off of, they actually got it overseas from Japan. And I'm very excited to show you guys that I do now have it. I have to get it painted because they did get it painted black. And yeah, here, take a look. So I do apologize, the bumper's pretty dirty right now, but this is the FD2 rear bumper, guys. Straight from Japan. It even has the attachable diffuser. It is a two-piece. I'm really liking this diffuser right here, guys. The just the small little diffuser that it comes with. And yeah, this is the FD2 rear bumper. Got the stock one hanging right here with the old little HFP lip on it. And this one's definitely beefier than that one. So what my plans with this one are is I'm obviously going to get the bumper painted white. But I do plan on leaving this little diffuser part right here black. I do think that'll accent well with the car, considering I do have some carbon fiber and black parts already on there. So this is the bumper, guys. Now I do have a couple other things. So of course, when you do the rear conversion, you got to get the taillights, obviously. So we have our FD2 taillights, and I know a lot of people prefer the hex over the circles. I was going for the JDM OEM type look. So the circles are the OEM Type R taillights. So I did decide to go with these ones. I think they add a cleaner look than the hexes do. I can't argue the hexes do probably look a little more aggressive, but I'm definitely digging the circles. This was my choice that I went with, and I'm definitely pleased. So now to the next part. It is right there. And what is that, guys? So this right here, a little dusty, just chilling in the garage, is a brand new, never mounted, never used VoltX rear diffuser. I think I might send this in to get painted, or I might even send it in for a like a carbon fiber gloss wrap. But basically, this is the diffuser, guys. It looks to be made out of fiberglass. Yeah, I think it's fiberglass. You can see the strands in there. But yeah, so this is the VoltX rear diffuser, guys. I'm definitely excited to get this mounted up. Definitely gonna make it look really aggressive. So as you guys see, we got the taillights, we got the VoltX rear diffuser, we got the JDM FD2 Type R bumper, and now the only thing we're left to do for the rear is to get the trunk. So I need your help with this decision, because I've been debating heavy lately. Do I want to go with the OEM FD2 trunk and get it painted white for a clean look, or do I want to get the FD2 carbon fiber trunk and maybe make it look a tad bit more aggressive? The only thing I've been debating this really so hard is because of the fact that I do want to mount a wing on it. And I was thinking of just getting the FD2 Type R wing, mounting it on there, and painting it white, of course. But I think if I got a carbon fiber trunk, it might look a little odd, a little different. It might not really match the color as well. So with this being said, I think I'm going to go with the just the regular white FD2 trunk. But if you guys want to see something different, definitely leave a comment down below what you guys want to see. I will definitely be recording the whole process of this rear conversion. I will be showing you guys how to set everything up. I'm not sure, I might have to do some cutting into the trunk in order to get the taillights to fit, depending on which trunk I go with. I'm not too sure about that one. But yeah, after I get this rear conversion all set, then I'm going to have to move up to the front conversion. And the front conversion I'm going to be starting this year, but I think I'm going to be ending it more towards the end of the year for next season because the rear conversion is a lot of money, and I definitely want to do some other stuff just to add some more power to the car, like cams, throttle body, injectors. And if I do the front conversion, it's just going to be really expensive, so I might save that for a little later on. But definitely the rear conversion is going down, and I'm extremely excited for this. Also, while I'm making this video, I might as well update you guys really quick. There is a pulley on the FA5 that I'm going to have to replace. It's been giving me a little squeak at idle when I've just been cold starting it during the winter, because obviously I have not been driving this car. So I definitely have to diagnose which pulley it is. I'm thinking it might be the idler pulley, but I'm definitely going to take the belt off and just fully diagnose and inspect which pulley it is, because as you guys know, there's a bunch of pulleys in which it could be. So guys, that's pretty much all I want to say at this moment. I just wanted to update you guys on what is going down with the FA5, just because she's been sitting there for a little bit now, and I haven't really been doing much. So there's definitely some stuff to be looking forward to. We got the FD2 rear conversion already in process. Then we're going to do the front conversion at some point. And I also have a few other parts that I'm in the process of getting. So they're going to be, I don't want to reveal anything. So basically the 2020 season is going to be a really big year for the FA5. She's going to be going through a lot of changes. And I just wanted to update you guys on that. So I hope you guys are excited for all of that. Definitely stay tuned for when I diagnose the pulley. Anyone who needs help diagnosing pulleys, I'm going to be going through the whole entire process. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I know I sure did, especially looking at all this stuff right here. Definitely very excited to get all these parts on. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Hopefully in the next video I will be getting some of this stuff together. I want to get it painted really soon. I just got to decide on which trunk I'm going with. But yeah, so leave comments down below on what you guys want to see for the trunk. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm headed out. Peace out, fam.